Nag-focus na siya. 2 eyes! Me? Yeah, it's good morning guys! Ang aga namin, ginising kami ni Jan mga 6:20, as in parang military time kami ulit kanina. And ayan yung boys. So papunta kami ng Glenold kasi yung golf competition ng mga bata is West Beach. So doon sila mag-golf. Si Kuya 8:15 dapat nandun na. Tapos si Sak naman. Yeah, then si Sak 9:15. Yung kayang ka? 10:15 for Sak? Ah, sorry. 10:15 for Sak. And Kuya is 9:15. 8:15 pala yung registration. So, ano na, medyo kanina pa kami nagde-drive kasi medyo traffic. And it's 7:36. So, sana makarating kami doon bago mag-8. At least 8. So, traffic guys. Ayan. Ang dami ng traffic na nadaanan namin. Ayan, traffic na naman dito. Si Holy, oh. Ito na kami guys. Do you know them?
That's calling him, man.
Ah, yeah. Merong maglalaro rin na taga doon sa Bay, kung saan naglalaro sila TJ. Baba, wake up, best friend. Tulog siya. As in, ang aga kasi naming ang aga kaming ginising ni Jan. And si Holly, papunta dito, tulog lang talaga siya. Baba! Baba! Good morning! Say morning, people! Morning! Hoy, best friend! Kiss mama? I love you, best friend. Oh, you wipe my kiss? Don't wipe my kiss. Another one. Okay, kiss mommy. Ay, Ichi. Ichi. Umaambon-ambon. Sana hindi matuloy itong ulan. Tingnan niyo yung langit. Sana wag siyang tumodong ulan. Ano lang, yung parang ambon-ambon lang. Ready na yung mga boys. Ayan, punta na tayo dun. And may dala kaming payong kasi lumalakas yung ulan. Ito yung payong ni Jan pag nag-golf siya. Ito yung Mizuno umbrella niya. Ayan. No, this is Daddy Baba. Ayan, dito tayo sa West Beach Parks Golf Park. Oh! Okay, kinuha niya yung umbrella sa akin. Careful! Paminintay lang namin yung tao dito kasi magpaparegister yung dalawang boys. And si Jan kumuha ng balls. Lumabas muna kami doon kung saan magpaparegister yung boys. Dito kami kukuha lang si Jan ng balls. Dito, mag-driving range muna sila. Ayan. God number 2, kuya. Kasi sira yung doon, yung eto ba, yung parang may umaangat. Ah, sira din to, kuya. Okay. Lumipat doon si kuya sa number 2. Ayun yung bagong shoes ni kuya. Suot niya na. Maubos na nila yung balls. Sana wag umulan. Yes, Papa. I love you too. Oh, good job, Papa. Oh, good job. Ha? Yan, dinala ko yung tira namin na Spanish bread. Ayan, kumakain na si Holly. Good, Baba?
Have you watched that sunscreen?
Yeah. Inisprayan sila ng ato ba? Okay, kuya. And your bag, please. Oh, the cover, kuya. So, dito lang kami naghihintay kasi hindi pa naman nag-start. And si kuya, siyang mauuna. Actually, maghihiwalay kami nila dyan. Ako, tsaka si Sak, si DJ, tsaka si Jan. So, kasi si kuya, kasi may 4 na categories yung competition. Merong 18 holes, si kuya 18 holes, si Sak 9 holes. Then, meron din 15 holes and then 6 holes. So, 18, 15, 9, and 6 holes ang maglalaro. So, iba-iba silang time. Tapos, hiwa-hiwalay. So, kami ni Sak, partner kami ni Sak. Ayun, naghihintay lang. So, kasama ko si Sak, siya si Holly, plus may umbrella kami. So, hindi pa naman nag-start. So, relax muna. Kasi tapos na sila kuya mag-driving range and nag-practice din sila mag-pad. Ano, Sak, may No, get off there, Papa! Anong sinasabi mo dyan?
You're taking TJ.
Who?
Kuya TJ.
I'm taking Kuya TJ?
Yeah.
Who said?
Dad.
Huh? I don't think so. Dad told me that I will take you. Well, you don't want me to take you?
No, because I always come with you.
Nagsasawa na sa akin si Sak. Gusto niya si daddy niya ang sumama sa... Why? Because what? You don't like mommy? Oh, poor mommy. Inaayawan ako. Huh?
I like you.
Thank you, Holly. You like me? Oh, hinalikan niya kasi punta raw siya sa daddy niya. Tanong ni Sak kung pwede sila mag-swap ni Kuya. Ako kay Kuya Sak, ay kay Kuya TJ, tapos siya kay Daddy. I don't think so kasi alam ko si Jan kay TJ kasi malayo yun. I mean, mahaba. 18 yun eh. 18 holes. Tingnan natin. Doon siya. May kausap pa si Jan eh. Ano dito? Malapit kami sa... Naririnig nyo yan? Airplane. Kasi malapit kami sa airport. Dinadramahan ko si Sak. Kunwari, umalis na ako doon sa doon sa my friends. I'm going now. No one wants to go with me. No one wants to go with me. I'm going. I'm just gonna sit in the car. I'm just gonna sit in the car. You know, pinupush niya ako kasi umalis na ako doon. Sabi ko, no one wants me there. I'm going. I'm going. Oh, Sak, come on. It's alright. I can just sit in the car and wait for you guys. Okay? Good luck. Good luck, Sak. I'm going now. Hinaharangan nila ako. Kasi gusto nila sumama sa daddy nila. Ayaw nila sa mami nila. Uwi na ako. I'm going, Sak. I'm going in the car. I'm serious. I'm going to the car. I am. You said you want to go with Daddy.
Oh, TJ's going with you.
No, Kuya is going to Daddy. No, I'm going now.
I'm gonna play by myself then.
Then who's gonna?
You're gonna play with TJ.
No, I'm going now. I'm going now, Sak. Sorry. Good luck for your golf, okay? I love you. Come on. No, I'm going in the car. Umalis ka dyan, Holly. I'm going. Naipasok niya na ako dito. No, I'm not. I'm going. If you're not coming with me, I'm going. Because I want to go with you. Because, you know. I'm going. I'm going, Sak. I'm going. Kuya, are you gonna go with me? Huh?
No.
Oh, see? No.
Not going.
I'm going. You said you wanna go to your daddy. Nagsasawa na sila sa akin kasi ilang weeks na silang nasa No. Kasama ko sa bahay. Tingnan mo si Sak. Sak, come on. I'm going now, Sak.
No.
Yes. Ayaw niyang akong paalisin. Oh. Okay. I'm going now. I'm going now. Going now, Sak. I'm serious. I'm going. I'm going now.
I'm not going with you.
Huh?
I'm going with you.
You're coming with me now? Promise? Okay, kiss mommy. I love you. Ako na yung kasama niya. Wala siyang choice eh. Kasi si daddy niya talaga kay kuya. And siya talaga sa akin. And si TJ, kailangan niya si daddy niya. Kasi nga mahaba yun. 18 holes yun eh. Kuya, good luck. Good luck. Mauna na si kuya. Good luck, okay? Love you. Teal, gonna bring your gear over? Sama muna tayo. Good luck, Zach. Okay, come on. See ya. See ya. Good luck, kuya. Kuya. Good luck. Okay. So, kaming tatlo. Hintayin namin yung time, kung anong oras. Hindi time, yung ibang kagrupo ni Zach, ha?
I like lollipop.
Lollipop. Oh, look if they have lollipop here. Thank you.
I like your bag.
So, mga 1 hour pa kayo maghihintay. Ha? Mga 1 hour pa kayo maghihintay. Puntahan muna natin si kuya. Nandun sila kuya. Puntahan muna kami doon. Kasi kami pa lang, oh, kasi nga mamaya pa. So, yung iba, siguro mamaya pa darating. Come on, baba. So, eto yung mga players na maglalaro ng 18 holes. So, andito na sila. Dito muna tayo manood. Kasi mamaya pa naman si Sa.
Everybody's happy about going back to school.
I am.
No,
does. She loves it. You would be.
that was quick.
Followed by Mason Holden, Lockie Moy, and Bradley Ackles. Thank you.
Tyron Howard, their next kuya. Tinatawag yung pangalan.
I'll tell you what, he's worked hard, he's hung in there. The most important thing is have fun, enjoy yourself.
Ubus na ni Sak yung kanyang Spanish bread. Gusto niya pa ng isa. Come on.
Tyron and Thomas, please.
Sila na yung sunod.
Too high for me.
Ayan na si kuya. First hole. Okay, you two, we're not going there because we have to wait for your competition, Zach. Punta na sila doon. See you, Han.
Good luck.
Good luck. Kuya, good luck.
TJ.
So, hindi na natin
Take off.
sila mapapanood.
Did you? Well, that's good.
So, punta na tayo doon. Pero punta muna kami sa car kasi kunin namin yung jacket ni Holly tsaka yung jacket ko kasi parang lumalamig yung hangin. Kanina okay eh, mainit. As in, parang 30 ata. 30 degrees. And kaya ngayon parang lumalamig na. Ito ang jacket. So, si Kuya hindi na natin mapapanood kasi lalakad na sila papunta doon. Si Sak dito, si Sak eh. Yeah?
Mama, I'm not told. I'm not allowed to
Yes, we're gonna bring your jacket because later it might be cold.
I'm not cold.
Hindi raw siya cold.
Mommy, I'm not
Okay, baby. Ayan, nakuha rin namin yung jacket. Si Sakling, kinuha niya yung kanya. Akala ko hindi siya magja-jacket. Buti na lang nasa car. Come on, Papa. Kinuha ko yung Pringles, tsaka meron akong mani. Peanut. Kain muna kami dito kasi wala pa naman eh. Parang medyo matagal pa. Ito muna tayo. Kainin natin to. You want some of this, ha? Share with Holly. Come on, Baba.
Mama.
Okay, go. Next to Kuya Sak. And ito yung peanuts. And ito na lang yung tira ng Spanish bread. Si Sak nakadalawa eh. Kainin ko itong natitirang Spanish bread. Malambot pa siya kahit
Mom, after this, come have a
kahapon to
lollipop.
niluto, ha?
After this, come have a lollipop.
We'll see, Baba. Wala pa kasi kami breakfast kasi di ba ang araw namin umalis. So, kain muna kami dito. Dito sa... Holly, say hi, Baba. Come on. Si Jasper, isa siya sa doon tagaroon sa amin. So maglalaro siya sa 15 holes. So tinatawag na sila. Si Sak hindi pa. So si Jasper kumuha siya ng mga balls. Si Sak na lang ang magtatapos nun. Okay. I'll just stay here, okay, Nak? How did you go, Sak? Did you finish all the balls? Tinanggal niya na yung jacket niya. Are you hot? You can give me your jumper na if you want to. I have a... No, you're alright, Baba. Gaya-gaya eh. Alright. Tinagyan ko na ng sunscreen si Sak kasi ayan. Ito yung group niya, tinatawag na sila. Okay? Ayan, si Sak na. Oops. Okay. Yes.
And Zachary. Alright, and Eric's going to mark for you.
Okay, let's go, Sak. Good luck. Thank you.
Make sure the kids are safe when you hit one.
Yan, naglalakad na tayo sa first hole ni Sak. Ayun yung mga kasama niya. And, ito yung kasama ko. Hurry up, Papa! Kuha siya ng sun bucket. Yeah. Just get anything, Sak. Okay. Okay, let's go. Ito sa kabilang side, sila kuya doon sa kabila, doon sa side na yun, dito sila. Dito naman sila sa side na to, sa left side. Malaki kasi to. So dito sila mag-start. Ito yung first hole. Tatlo lang sila. Dito sa 9 holes. Okay, he hold this. Pinalitan niya yung gloves niya. Okay, so. It's alright. Dito yung bola ni Zach. First one. Found it na?
No,
Okay.
Victor, no.
That one. Okay. Okay. Just
From here,
from
club length.
club length, Baba. Wait. Okay. Okay.
What you need to do, make sure you clear all the around and make sure you're on top.
Okay.
It helps.
Okay. Good job, Zach.
Very good.
Very good. On the green. Good job, Zaki.
Yeah.
That was good. So, count 3 na yun. From 1, nung kinuha ni Zach, 2, then 3 nung hinit niya. So, count 3 na yun.
You want the pin in or out?
You want, Zach, do you want the flag out? Or you're right? It's alright. Okay. Oh, go! Wow. Five. It's 5, right? Sabi ni Zach, i-rub ko daw yung feather. Okay, good luck, Zach. It's alright. Stop. Okay. Good shot, Zach. Good shot on the green. Oh, stop, stop. Good shot. Good job.
It goes up.
It goes up, Zach. Go in. Wow, nice putt, Zach. Take your time, Zach. Okay. Take your time, Zach. Ayaw maggamit ng tea. So, good shot. Good shot, Zach. Tingnan niyo yung babae dun. Binibaby niya yung Mickey Mouse. Yes, she is. Ayun siya. Buti na lang si Holly, hindi siya nagpapakarga sa akin. Pero sabi niya, sore na raw yung legs niya. Best friend! Oh. Good job. Oh, good job. Sunbathing na siya dyan. Come on, oy. Let's move. Ando na sila, kamamama. Good shot, Zach. Good shot. Good shot. Good chip. Good job. Good job. It's alright. That's okay. Take your time, Zach. Good shot.
Good job, mate.
Good job. Good shot. Very good. Si Holly napagod na siya. Kakalakad. Ayan. Nagpapahila na siya kay Kuya San. 2 more holes. After nito. Pagod na ang baba ko. See the flag? Last hole na to. Yeah, okay. Ito na yung last 9 na to. Last hole. Good shot. Okay. Good chipping, Zach. Oops. It's alright. Good game. Shake hands. Remove your hat when you shake hand. Good job. Thank you. Good match. Thank you. Okay. Oh, speak to Thank you. See you next time, maybe. Thank you. Thank you. nice meeting you. Okay. High five. Good. Oh, high five, Papa. Oh, good walking. Good walking. Oh, look at that. How about Vic? Good walking. So, tapos na. So, hindi pa namin nabibilang kung sino yung Pero I think si Zach third or second. So we'll see. But it's a good game. Ang tingnan mo, oh. Making friends. Making friends. Where's my baby Holly? Come on, Baba. Hindi ko alam kung tapos na sila dyan. So malalaman natin pagdating namin doon. Pasok tayo dito after ng laro nila. Okay, come on. Go there now. Here, Sak, here. Good job.
Second place.
Good job. Good job. Got balls.
You know what? You are the future of this wonderful game. And I wish you all the very best and keep hanging in there, and just remember one thing from me.
Dito kami sa labas, tapos na yung awarding. And si Zach, third runner-up siya. You lost how many shots? Zach? 2 shots. And what you got?
Toddler's hat.
Yan, ang third runner-up, meron siyang nakuhang hat. And ito yung old balls na isang maliit na ice cream. Ano siya? Old na siya, mga luma na ba? Ayan. Hindi ko linagay. Ayan. So, yun. Yung score ni Zach is 48. And then, yung isa, yung 48 years, 48. Ito yung score. Kasi ako yung nag-score. And then, minatch namin nung tutong nag-score. So, nag-match naman. So, 48 si Zach. Tapos, yung second runner-up is 46. And then, yung winner, yung first runner-up is 37. So, which is good, right, Zach? It's alright, right? You did well. Ang ganda naman yung laban kasi si Zach, di ba lagi siyang nasa bush? And pag hinit niya naman talaga from the bush, kasi pwede niyang kunin yun, count na yun eh. Pag kinuha mo, tapos ilagay mo sa green, 2 points na yun pag hinit niya. Tapos pag hinihit niya naman, nakapunta siya sa green. So, kaya hindi naman ganun kalayo yung score niya doon sa nanalo. Right, Zach? And, how are you ba? What are you eating? Sugar? Gutom ka na? Binuksan niya yung sugar dito, oh. So, hinihintay lang namin si Daddy, si John, at saka si Kuya, kasi 18 holes sila. So, long, long course yun. So, ngayon, yung awarding naman is yung naglaro ng 15 holes. Sila naman ang nandoon, oh. Oh, my present si
So when you
Holly.
start playing golf, that goes on to the left hand.
Okay.
Alright, that's a little present. I'm not sure where that'll fit you though.
Okay.
I've got 2 here, just for
Okay.
the size of your hand.
What's your size? What you gonna say, Holly? Say, what you gonna say?
I don't think so.
What you gonna say, Baba?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, well.
Dito kami sa clubhouse. Bili raw sila ng ice cream. Wala pa rin si John. 1 hour na kami naghihintay sa kanya. So, instant ice cream. Eto na lang. Mayroon silang kids menu dito na chicken nuggets and chips with drinks and ice cream for $10. So, yun na lang binili ko sa kanila. Okay, let's go. It's hot, Baba. Hot. Thank you. Say thank you. So, ayan yung fish and chips and chicken nuggets with chips and same as Holly. Mamaya yung ice cream nila after nila maubos to. Ayan yung ice cream nila. Is it there? Yeah. Are you sure, Zach? Open. Hindi nila naubos yung chips. Ayan. Tira nila kay Kuya Zach. Yeah. Nandyan nga yung spoon. Can you open this for Holly, please? Vanilla. Okay. Okay, wait. Nandito na sila. Hi, Kuya! Pakita niya sa daddy niya yung nakuha niya. Yeah.
Enjoy yourself, TJ.
I was at a right hand.
Is it left?
That's the right one.
Right.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Yeah, where's this finger?
Where's that finger, Baba?
Little finger in there.
Yes, susukat niya na.
Little piggy.
Yeah.
I can get it.
You could have got a bucket of water.
Oh, yeah, this is
Trying to get a house.
Ay, si Kuya. Hindi siya ng bowl.
I don't know, where did you put it?
That's it.
You'll be the star. Okay, smile. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Uwian na? What's wrong? What happened? Daddy, what did you do? Oh, you hit Daddy, Holy. No. Punta na kami sa hotel. No hotel. We're gonna check in.
I thought we were going to West Beach in front of us.
Huh?
I thought we were.
So, ito yung napanalunan ni Zach. Si Kuya, isang ball. Ang dami nila, Kuya. Doon sa 18 holes, ang dami. So, yung yung iba, ano ba nakuha? 2 balls si Kuya, isa. Tapos may yung winner trophy. Katulad din kay Zach, yung winner, nakakuha din ng trophy. Second kay Zach, nakakuha ng hat, tsaka isang bagong golf ball, and then isang bucket na used balls. And si Zach nakakuha ng isang hat and 1 bucket of used balls. Yes.
Old boat.
Yeah, old one. But you had fun, right, Zach? And we make friends. Do you know their name? Victor and Jay Neil. Si Kuya Ando, nag-change pa siya ng sapatos.